Hello all, Christine Beyer, licensed master esthetician for 18 years. In preparing for my 50th birthday, I am in an anti-aging blitz. So I microneedled my hands and then I microneedled my scar that I've had forever. I had this worked on so many times when I was in beauty school in Miami and 2000 or whatever it was. They did microdermabrasion over and over, and it was just so painful. I'm hoping to get a little bit more revision, and this actually looked better than before we started working on it ages ago. And then I was just like, you know what, I don't care, it's my Nike swoosh. But now I'm like, why not? I have my Queen Skin Pro, as I've showed in other videos, and I might as well just go for it and use it everywhere. So microneedling is a way of breaking up scars and rejuvenating the skin. If you don't know much about it, you can Google it. But I went kind of deep on myself, as you can see from the blood. I don't do that with clients. I cannot go that deep legally. But this is what it looks like 5 days later. Stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get some nice revision on this scar in my hands and get some hair in my little receding hairline there. Thanks for watching.